Hey math friends, making this video because I am out today in the morning. I will be back tomorrow morning, but I wanted to give you pointers on what you should be doing today. I know you're getting into the routine of things with the computers, but it is still somewhat new. So I wanted you to watch this and listen carefully to what steps you need to take, in what order, and if you miss it the first time, the beautiful thing is this is a video and you can rewatch it. So the first thing that you're going to do tomorrow is, like always, you're going to get a computer. So you probably already have it if you're watching this. You're going to get a computer and you're going to log in. We're not going to have the solve and share because I'm not there. So you're going to jump right into things. So the first thing that you need to do is you're going to go to the exit ticket bin and you're going to solve the equation 6 times 405, okay? And you need to use the compensation method because I want to see if you understand how to do that. Now, you did that yesterday too. So I already had a problem on here, but it's too close to the one that I just said. So 3 times 304, let's say. Okay, let me see if that's close. Okay, so if I have 3 times 304, one thing I'm going to notice right away is 3 times 304, that seems really difficult. But 304 is close to 300. So I'm going to say 3 times 300. So I got rid of 4 threes. So I'm going to have to add those back in a little while. But 3 times 300 is 900. Okay, 900. But I got rid of 4 threes, so I gotta add those back in. 3 times 4 equals 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12 because, like I said, I rounded down. I took 4 away, so I'm putting them back. So 3 times 300 is 900. 3 times 4 is 12, so I add those two together to get what 3 times 304 would have been. So I do that and I get a total of 912 would have been my answer, okay? So you need to do that with, I'll write it here for you. It's on the Math Today schedule that I have shared with you on our Google Classroom, our Math Google Classroom from Mr. Skolma. So you can find the directions there, but here it is as well. So solve this showing your work. Solve this showing your work on the exit ticket. As soon as you're done with that, I want you to watch the visual learning bridge, okay? The visual learning video to better understand this method as well. So that looks like, let's see if it gonna kind of see it there. It looks like that little video with the robot that comes across. Watch and learn a little bit more. When you're done with that, I want you to go back to the independent pages, page 115. I know you already did some on that page. Just double check them. How certain are you that you got them correct? I know I had to do 5, 6, and 7, but now I want you to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so do those, and I'm going to have you turn those in. So turn those into the substitute so that I can check to see if you're getting it or not. Okay. Then after that, math group one, which is Nate, Breyer, Mackay, Kyler, Merrick, and Vienna. You guys, I want you to go over to the bins that are on the south wall and find bin I1 and get out that sheet, and there's some basic math facts on there that are a little bit challenging, and what I want you to do is I want you to solve those, but I want to see your work. I want you to break it down into easier ways. So use some strategies to make those facts easier and then turn that in as well. If you're not one of those people I just named, then you're going to go straight to the choice menu and choose one of those activities to do. Okay? Make sure you rock it. Make sure you're working hard. That's what I'm looking for most of all. If the substitute has to talk to you because you're not working, and if she or he writes down your name, then I am going to hold you in on Friday for recess to make up for the time that you wasted while I was gone. So make sure that you're working. Otherwise, I'm going to have to take recess away, and I don't want to have to do that. Okay? So, rock it out. Learn more about mathematics. Don't feel bad for yourself if you don't understand something. Figure out how you're going to solve it and get better at it, okay? Do something about it, okay? Peace! See you later. Ah!